Sa kanyang bawat hakbang, pag-asa ang dala. Let us take a step in knowing her journey and transformation.
Magandang umaga, class! Let us now discuss our project guidelines and rules. Magtutulong-tulong kayo as a group.
Excuse me, ma'am. Krisha is not paying attention again. She said na sobrang madali lang ang project.
It's too easy because it is. I know already all of this.
It's important to respect the learning process.
Ganyan siya palagi, ma'am. In every groupings, she reacted like that.
I don't see the point.
Boring na nga, sobrang dali, tapos may kasama pa.
Good day, Mr. Principal.
Mr. Palermo, I need your guidance on Krisha.
She's incredibly gifted, magaling sa klase, ngunit nahihirapan na rin ako sa kanya minsan. She wants to do everything alone, she works ahead, and sometimes she completely tunes out her classmates. At dahil dyan, nahihirapan na rin ang ibang mga estudyante.
That's not uncommon to our gifted learners, Ma'am Anita. Sometimes they struggle with structure because they need more challenging tasks, and sometimes they don't see any value in a certain task. Masyadong madali sa kanila yung mga ibang gawain. Have you tried differentiating her work?
Yes, sir.
We need to help her, and we need to approach this differently. She might need more than just academic challenge, and she might need a sense of value in a classroom. Ganito na lang yung gawin natin, Ma'am Pravilla. Ipatawag mo yung kanyang magulang at kausapin natin siya.
Noted, Mr. Principal. I'll update her mother ngayon na mismo.
Thank you so much, Miss Magno, for meeting with us. We wanted to discuss Krisha's behavior. Kailangan namin ng inyong tulong.
We appreciate it. We know she's smart, but she gets frustrated easily. Ang sabi niya parati, ang eskwela ay boring daw. We don't want her to fall behind socially because she thinks differently. Baka wala na siyang makausap at makaibigan.
That's exactly our concern too.
Kaya ka namin pinatawag kasi she's starting to affect other students and the policy of the school, a school of peace, promoting learning and healthy environment.
We are considering an independent project for them. Tanglap. They are gifted. They are blessed. Ang layunin ng proyekto ito ay upang matalina ang kanyang kalakasan sa pagtutulog sa lalangma.
That sounds great. Ngunit paano natin malilinang ang kanyang pakikipaghulubilo sa ibang mga mag-aaral?
That's where our approach will be different. Krisha won't just work alone. She will mentor classmates who struggle in the areas where she excels. Don't worry, Mrs. Magno. We have our guidance office to assess her, to consult her, and to check and to evaluate the progress of this project.
That could work. She likes explaining when she's interested. Krisha, ano sa palagay mo?
So I wouldn't have to do this work? I'd get to study what I actually like?
Yes, pero dapat tulungan mo pa rin yung mga klase mo. School is not just about making you smart class, but it's about making a difference.
That actually sounds kind of cool.
Sama-samang pagtulong mula sa paaralan, guro, administrasyon, magulang at kamag-anak.
Krisha, kumusta ka? I heard about your project. How do you feel about it?
Honestly, it's the first time school doesn't feel like a waste of time. You're not just a student. You are a future leader. Keep going, Krish. We're so proud of you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Pravilla, for raising your concern. It plays a significant role in our school. The journey of Krisha serves as an eye-opener to all of us.
Inklusibong edukasyon, our gifted learners ay hindi na iiba. They are mahalaga, tanglap sa hina.